Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors, sponsored by Carolina Cooker. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre. Today we're going to be doing some fresh fish. We got some fresh red drum caught out here on the Carolina coast, and we're going to do a nice simple take on it. So we've got a little bit of Carolina seafood seasoning, and we got some fresh lemon, fresh thyme, a little salt and pepper, some olive oil, and butter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the gas on our tabletop double burner. We'll let this warm up just a little bit, and go ahead and put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season these guys up here. All right, so now that our pan's hot, we'll go ahead and put the fish seasoned side down first. And then go back with a little bit more seasoning on the top. I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons of butter. You wanna kind of use a spoon to kind of baste the fish. That'll help you from flipping it and breaking it apart, but it also keeps the fish nice and moist on both sides. You wanna give the fish about 2 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the fish. I'm gonna take some fresh thyme, stick-on's fine. I'm gonna put this in right before the flip and make sure you're basting it. All right, so our fish is pretty much done. And right before we turn the heat off, we're gonna take about a good quarter of a lemon and just all over everything. And go ahead and turn off your heat and let it sit for just about 30 seconds. This is an easy way to prepare a great dish with fresh caught fish. And it's always great to catch fish in the outdoors, but it's even better to incorporate it into a dish.